We track cost, we track schedule, we track performance, but nobody tracks where effort is actually going. And that silence is where most projects quietly fall apart. CPI, SPI, forecasts, recovery plans. We measure everything that matters on paper. Yet the one thing that drives all of it, how your team's energy is being spent, gets zero visibility. Here's what I've seen across oil and gas, construction, and IT projects. The team is working hard, genuinely hard, but a massive chunk of that effort is going toward meetings that end without decisions, reports nobody acts on, reviews that simply generate more reviews. It looks like progress. It feels like work. It produces nothing. This is not a people problem. This is an alignment problem. Because not all tasks carry equal weight. Some activities unlock the next milestone. They remove blockers, reduce risk, and create real forward movement. Others just consume time while the schedule burns. The best project controllers I know don't just chase numbers. They obsess over where effort flows. They ask harder questions. Is this meeting moving something forward? Or just filling a calendar? Is this report being used? Or just being produced? Is this task creating progress? Or creating the illusion of it? Real project control isn't about squeezing more hours out of people. It's about making sure every hour is pointed at something that actually matters. Because at the end of the day, the project doesn't care how hard you worked. It only cares what you delivered. Effort without direction is just expensive noise.